Hi. Well, what is the usage of Excel VBA? Now, for example, if I want to know in this list here, how many of the names start with Burr or contains a Burr, so we can see that Burhat will have, you see there's a lot of items there. So let's say I'll look at Kosan rubber. So I click on this, I'll locate, it's on the row 44. So now I can easily go here and check is at row 44. Of course, this is just the beginning, right? I can do more than that. After you got the location, you can actually get the items and then change accordingly if you want to. The concept will be much like this. Select the items and then you can change the value you want to change, or you can even delete that row. It all depends on your imaginations. Now, where do I get this list from? From the Wikipedia, the list of this. So if you want to extract this part of data from Wikipedia, a handy way is that you go to the data tab. Under the Get transform data, choose from web, and then you can extract it from a Wikipedia. And this video just to show you that another usage of how to use this searchable, where we can use this searchable. See that so handy, right? I want to look, maybe I'll look at something to Go, right? Oh, Go has golden screen and golden hope, right? So Leon, we have this. So there is a lot of, you see, help we have. Maybe we talk about college, university, telecom. Yeah, telecom is a good one. See, telecommunication, there's a lot. So let's go here, search 69. So again, you can really just go there and see is this correct. 89, exactly. Okay. So many other things you can use it for. So maybe you want to look at which company search founded at 1990. So there are a few of these here. See, there's the items here. Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together we excel before 50.